everyone! Welcome back! I'm so happy you're here.
Yes, and today we're diving into another real-life English conversation.
But before we start, if you haven't watched the last episode, go check it out. It's in the Real Life Conversation Places playlist.
Standard, we also have a motivational conversation playlist. Perfect if you want an energy boost.
All right then, today's episode is all about the coffee shop.
Cozy chairs, warm drinks, and natural English practice. Let's go.
I can smell the coffee already. This place is so inviting.
Yes, the aroma is amazing. Freshly ground beans, nothing better.
Oh look, that table near the window is free.
Perfect. Let's sit there.
All right, but first, let's order.
Good idea. I'll take a cappuccino.
One cappuccino for you. I think I'll go for a latte.
Great choice. Should we grab a dessert too?
You and your desserts. Fine. Let's see what they have.
Hello, what can I get for you today?
Hi. Can I have one medium cappuccino and one latte, please?
Of course. Anything else?
Do you have carrot cake?
Yes, we do.
Perfect. One slice, please.
All right. A cappuccino, a latte, and one slice of carrot cake. I'll bring it to your table.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh, okay. Now we can relax.
This is the best part. Waiting for the drinks and chatting.
Yes, coffee shops are great for conversations.
Absolutely. By the way, Emma, how was your week?
Busy, but good. I had a lot of reading to do.
Reading? What book?
A novel. And I found a new word I really liked. Serendipity.
Oh, that's a great one.
Listeners, serendipity means finding something good without looking for it. Like when you discover a nice cafe by accident.
Or when you meet a new friend unexpectedly.
Exactly. Life is full of serendipity.
Here you are, one cappuccino, one latte, and carrot cake.
Thank you very much.
Yes, thanks a lot.
Enjoy your drinks.
Here you go, Rian. Your cappuccino.
And here's your latte. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's good. Perfect balance of foam and coffee.
My latte's creamy and smooth, just right.
And the carrot cake looks amazing.
I knew you'd say that.
So tell me, what's your usual coffee order?
A latte almost every time. What about you?
Cappuccino always. That foam on top makes my day.
Classic choice. Foam really feels like a cloud in a cup. Classic choice. Foam really feels like a cloud in a cup.
True. Speaking of clouds, here's an idiom for our listeners. On cloud nine.
Nice one. On cloud nine means extremely happy.
For example, I was on cloud nine when I saw this carrot cake.
That's so you, Ryan. Here's another good word. Ambience.
Yes, listeners, ambience means the mood or atmosphere of a place.
Like this cafe. Warm lights, soft music, cozy chairs. The ambience is relaxing.
Exactly. Ambiance makes a cafe special. You know, coffee shops are like little worlds. People studying, friends talking, workers on laptops.
Yes, everyone brings their own story.
And if walls could talk, imagine the stories they'd tell.
That's another idiom. If walls could talk means if places could reveal the secrets they've witnessed.
Perfect idiom for a coffee shop.
Okay, role play time. Imagine you're ordering coffee.
All right, I'm the customer, you're the barista.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hi, a cappuccino, please, medium size.
Of course. Anything else?
Yes, a slice of carrot cake.
Great. That'll be $5.90.
Here you go, thanks.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon. See? Simple and polite.
And easy to practice.
Yes.
By the way, do you remember your first coffee ever?
Oh, yes. I thought it would be sweet, but it was bitter.
Same. First sip, I almost spat it out.
Now you can't imagine mornings without it, right?
Exactly. Coffee becomes part of the routine.
Good vocabulary here. Routine. Listeners, routine means something you do regularly, often every day.
Like brushing your teeth or checking your phone in the morning.
Or having a cup of coffee before work.
That's definitely my routine.
Coffee shops are also great places to study.
Yes, the background noise helps me focus.
Me too. The soft chatter, the clinking cups. Perfect ambiance for studying.
Coffee shops are like mini offices for me.
Exactly. For many people, coffee boosts productivity. Ryan,
Good word. Productivity means how much work you can get done.
yes, my productivity goes up with coffee.
Emma, do you like people watching here?
Yes, it's fun. You see so many personalities.
But always politely, of course.
Of course. Just observing. And sometimes you pick up new expressions.
Exactly. Coffee shops are full of natural English.
Would you like some water on the side?
Yes, please.
Me too, thank you.
That's nice service.
Yes, friendly staff make the experience better.
Sometimes you return to a cafe just for the people.
Yes, coffee plus good vibes. Perfect combo.
Here are your glasses of water.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Relieved, refreshing. Water and coffee make a great balance.
Yes, otherwise coffee alone can feel heavy.
Exactly. Listeners, remember the word balance. It means keeping things equal, not too much, not too little.
Like drinking coffee in moderation.
Right. Moderation means the right amount, not over the top.
For example, I drink coffee in moderation, not 10 cups a day.
That's smart.
Emma, what's your happiest coffee shop memory?
Hmm. Once I sat here during a rainy afternoon reading. The sound of rain plus the smell of coffee, pure happiness.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. What about you?
For me, it's simple. Meeting you here for our podcast recordings.
Aw, that's sweet.
True, though. Conversations taste better with coffee.
Nice line, Ryan. Here's an idiom. Spill the beans.
Oh, yes. That means to tell a secret.
Like Ryan, did you spill the beans about our recording?
No way. My lips are sealed.
Good one. My lips are sealed means you won't tell a secret.
Yes, very useful with friends.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Excited. That would be lovely, thank you.
Yes, let's check it out.
Here it is. Today's special is cheesecake.
Cheesecake sounds tempting.
I agree. Let's share one slice.
Perfect. One cheesecake coming up.
Cheesecake really is hard to resist.
Yes, especially in cafes. Sweet plus coffee, the perfect duo.
And you with your sweet tooth can't say no.
True. Sweet tooth means someone who loves sweet food.
Exactly. And Ryan is the best example.
few minutes can slow things down.
And listeners, pause button is a good phrase. Means to stop and take a short break.
Coffee shops are exactly that. Pause buttons in a busy day. So Emma, what's your go-to coffee when you travel?
Always cappuccino. Safe, reliable, and I love the foam.
For me, espresso. Strong and straight to the point.
Classic Rian. Practical.
And you're the cozy one. A good balance.
How's everything with your drinks?
Perfect. Thank you.
Absolutely wonderful.
By the way, let's teach another word. Ambience.
Yes, ambience means the atmosphere or mood of a place.
Like this café. It has such a warm ambience.
Exactly. Coffee plus ambience equals experience. I've got an idiom. Wake up and smell the coffee.
That means pay attention or face reality. Like, wake up and smell the coffee. Exams are coming.
Perfect example. And perfect for today's cafe theme.
Do you prefer working solo in cafes or with company?
Depends. Alone for focus, but with friends for inspiration.
Same here. Coffee shops can be both private and social.
That's the beauty of them.
Would you like another dessert?
Tempting, but no. One cheesecake was enough.
Speaking of cheesecake, did you know it goes back to ancient Greece?
Really? So people have always shared sweets in gatherings.
Exactly. Food always connects people.
Listeners, another phrase, conversation starter.
Yes, it's something that begins a discussion. Like asking, what's your favorite coffee?
And in cafes, conversation starters are everywhere.
Every table feels like a little world of stories.
Here's your bill.
Let's split it.
Half and half works.
That was such a lovely cafe session.
Yes, good drinks, sweet cheesecake, and even sweeter conversation.
Before we go, remember our daily quiz in the community section.
It's quick, fun, and based on today's conversation.
And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.
Subscribing is free and it helps us grow.
Plus, check out our playlists, real-life conversation places and motivational conversation.
Lots of episodes waiting for you.
So that's it for episode 11, Conversation at the Coffee Shop.
Keep learning, keep practicing.
And keep sipping your favorite coffee. Bye, everyone.